Oh, hello. It's Mr. Harry here again. I'm lying on the ground on a trail. I'm on an adventure near my home, and I'm lying on the ground because I wanted to show you this. On the ground above my head, I found tufts of what looks like black and white pieces of fur. Now I use my nose a little bit. It smells a little bit like skunk. So I think these pieces of black and white fur or a hair came from a skunk, and I want your help to figure out why these are here on this trail. I just found them. I'm hoping you can talk to your friends and family and teachers too and come up with some hypotheses or ideas about why these chunks or tufts of skunk fur might be littered around the trail. And once you've done some discussing, I'm hoping that you could write a story with some words or pictures or sentences to help share why you think all of this fur is lying on the trail in my community. See what you can do. That would be lovely. We'll see you soon.